Lexine, can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say mom,
Mom.
dad,
Dad.
nan.
No.
Say banana.
No.
Can you say apple? Can you say apple?
Apple.
Can you say ball?
Ball.
Can you say water?
Good
Good girl. What's an elephant do? What's a monkey do? What's a puppy do? What's a kitty do? What's a cow do? What does a snake do? Can you show me your eyes? Where's your tongue? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Good girl. Where's your hair? Where's your ears? Good girl. Where's your belly button? There it is. There's a pretty belly button. Where's your stinky piggies? Oh, stinky. Oh, they stink. Stinky, stinky. Can you blow mommy a kiss? Blow mama a kiss? I love you. Can you say I love you? Say love you.
Bye.
Bye. You're so beautiful. Lexine America, 18 months old.